Boss, paano kung sinabihan niya ako na stop na muna manligaw? And sabi niya, di totally stop. Gusto niya muna mag-isip-isip. Kung sinabi na manliligaw mo na mag-iisip-isip muna siya, ang ibig sabihin nun mga sigarilyo is you are coming on too strong na. In other words, masyado mo na siya nilalagay sa pedestal. And most probably, you are already smothering her with chats and texts and calls. Lagi kayong magkausap sa phone, giving her gifts, etc. She's basically saying na nagiging needy ka na sa mata ng babae. I can't really say the exact reason kung bakit siya nagkakaganon kasi we can only go off of this comment. Kaya reminder lang guys na if you want a solid, clear advice coming from me, the quickest way to do that is book a one-on-one coaching session with me. And you can do that by clicking the link in the bio kung nasa TikTok kayo, and kung nasa YouTube naman, the link is in the description. But anyway mga sigarilyo, kung sinabihan na kayo ng babaeng nililigawan nyo na mag-iisip-isip na muna daw siya, she is simply saying na, dude, slow your roll. Kalma ka muna ng konti. Masyado ka nang nagiging desperado. So the best course of action here is of course to pull away a little bit. Kung dati, isang chat lang ng babae, wala pang 10 seconds, may reply ka na kaagad sa kanya. This time around, take your time to reply. Because by doing this, it will communicate with the girl na you're busy taking care of your purpose and not dropping everything para lang makapag-reply sa kanya. Also, by doing that, mararamdaman ni girl na hindi mo siya nilalagay sa pedestal. If you are chatting too much naman sa kanya, limit your chats to just, setting up a definite date with her. And once you have set a definite date with her, get off the phone and say something in the lines of, I'd better get to work na muna kasi marami pa akong trabaho. But I'll definitely see you on Friday though. Or whenever your date happens to be. The general idea kasi here mga sigarilyo is if you put the girl on a pedestal, bababa ang attraction level sa'yo ng babae. And when this happens, naturally, they will pull away. And sa case dito ni sigarilyo, ang sabi ni girl, mag-iisip-isip na daw muna siya. Kasi if you're smothering the girl with your presence 24/7, wala na yung mystery dun. Alam na niya kaagad na you are really super into her. The mystery isn't there anymore and it's gone. And it's a scientific fact na women are more attracted to men whose feelings are unclear. Kung available ka sa kanya 24/7, nasa na yung mystery dun? Walay na, sigarilyo. So what you need to do here, sigarilyo, is just step back for a moment and just slow your roll. Don't be too available sa kanya and just ask her on a date once a week. Kung gusto mong mapayuhan kita na mas detalye and mas maayos, like I said earlier, I highly suggest for you to book a one-on-one coaching session with me para makwento mo sa akin lahat in detail and para tayo ay makagawa ng course correction accordingly. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo and follow for more. Meron na rin pala akong FB and IG account and of course, YouTube channel. Mag-subscribe na rin kayo doon. Peace.